In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're in the correct company file before making any changes. Since deleting a payment can affect customer balances and related invoices, it's always a good idea to move carefully and double-check what you're removing. Once you're signed in, go to Sales and Get Paid, and then select Customers. This will take you to your customer list, where you can find the person or business connected to the payment you want to delete. Choose the correct customer to open their profile. From there, open the customer's transaction list. This area shows the activity connected to that customer, including invoices, payments, and other related records. Take a moment to locate the specific payment transaction you want to remove. If the customer has a long history, it may help to look closely at the payment date and amount, so you select the correct one. When you find the payment, click View Edit next to it. This will open the payment window so you can review the full details. Before deleting anything, confirm that this is the right transaction. Check the amount, the date, and any invoice connections shown on the payment. This quick review helps prevent deleting the wrong record by mistake. After confirming the details, look for the More option at the bottom of the payment window. If it appears in your version of QuickBooks Online, click More and then select Delete. QuickBooks will usually display a confirmation message before the payment is permanently removed. Read that message carefully so you understand the impact of the deletion. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes or Delete to confirm. Then give QuickBooks Online a moment to process the change and remove the payment from the customer's record. Once the deletion is complete, return to the customer's transaction list and verify that the payment no longer appears. This is an important final check to make sure the action was successful. You'll also want to confirm that any related invoice has been updated correctly to reflect that the payment was removed. In many cases, the invoice balance will change and may show as open or unpaid again, depending on how that payment was originally applied. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.